future is here.
The blade cutting out her split end. Wow!
Girl, you look like a snack.
I straighten my hair probably like every other day.
I do get my hair done a lot, so I bleach it, so I do a lot of damage.
I had a phase where I did like a perm and all this stuff, and I just have not taken care of my hair.
I use the wand all the time.
My hair is always in a ponytail or a messy bun.
I'm on level like 495.
My hair actually tends to get really dry, which is why I get my split ends.
I need some split end help.
There's a haystack on my head.
This is like a whole situation.
If I look like her, I'm down.
Split Ender Pro 2.
Check it out.
Cordless split end hair.
Snips the ends, not the length, which is what I like. So this is what it looks like.
Ooh, look at this bag. This is cute for when we're like traveling.
I do like that it's battery operated.
I'm taking this home.
I mean, if you don't see it at the office.
I would be lying if I said I wasn't scared to lose my hair right now. Wait, it actually might be working.
Did it come off?
Yes. Where did the little hairs? I'm like, maybe they go in here.
Oh, wow.
So the split ends go in this little clear compartment.
I feel like I'm pimping my hair.
It's pulling my hair.
I kind of like this because it doesn't leave a mess.
Whenever you do this, you should like fully brush your hair until it gets soft.
The future is here.
All these split ends.
Wow, that's actually a good amount.
I like this.
I don't need to go to the salon anymore.
Let's really get in here.
Okay, let's really put this bad boy to the test.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Oh.
I really like this.
It feels like I'm brushing my hair and my hair feels a lot smoother than it was before.
Am I a Pantene model now?
I think that it works best when you grab like little strands. I can literally sit here and do this all day. Like while I'm watching TV, just like.
I'll try it on you, you try it on me. It goes smoothly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Girl, you look like a snack.
I don't see any split ends, honestly.
You can see like the blade cutting out her split end.
3.
Let's see.
Wow!
It works,
It works.
right?
The split ends are gone.
Well, after doing this, it feels like I just got a haircut. Fresh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my hair right now is probably at an 8
8.
as far as softness.
I thought this was gonna be super gimmicky, like oh, another thing to try.
Yeah,
But it got a lot, huh?
Yeah.
And it's like shiny. Like it does feel healthier.
This is all filled with split and
Not as stiff. Like when we first started, my hair was like.
It was very
just-
like in every direction, and now it is all going in like one direction.
so maybe people who have thinner hair or straight hair, this
Doesn't
would
have
be
a
good
lot,
for
yeah.
you.
Once you follow directions, it does work. If you do it 3 times, you really do start seeing like a change.
It's a cool invention to have like in your
Yeah.
arsenal.
I like how quick it is.
Curling iron, straightener,
Vacuum.